In this video, I want to talk a little bit about the separation of us humans from the web of life. And in order to do that, I just want to bring a word, the word nature. I am wondering how the word nature has come to mean everything around us except us. It means, nature means landscapes and animals and plants and phenomena of the earth, etc., etc. But somehow the word nature does not include humans or creations of humans. And I'm wondering, why did this happen and when did this happen? Especially because the word nature is coming from the word nasci in Latin, which means birth. So once upon a time, everything that was birthed and everything that came into a becoming was nature. So we humans, as we were born, we were nature. But somehow, even this word speaks of the separation that has happened between humans and the web of life. And it is quite revolutionary to re-engage, to reimagine ourselves as part of nature, to redefine ourselves as part of nature, because this separation has happened long time ago, thousands of years ago it started, and slowly we deviated from the web of life. And I believe that most recently we deviated even with more speed, and we are now quite far from this um, everyday connection to the web of life, and also um, spiritually and emotionally and mentally, our bonds, the way we feel connected to the web of life, has weakened. And that's when the need for eco awakening comes. It's kind of an imperative need to awaken us, to shift our consciousness from this long, deep sleep of separation, so that we are coming again to this belief that our ancestors had, that we, all of us, not only humans now, but we, all of us, all beings, were once one. All of us, we were once one.